Clothing retailer Marine Layer crafts absurdly soft shirts with a laid-back California style. Founded in 2009, the San Francisco-based retailer has scaled to more than 46 stores across the states and is not slowing down anytime soon. Occupier is the tenant lease management software platform that Marine Layer chose to partner with in order to support their expansion goals and transition to the new ASC 842 lease accounting standards. Before Occupier, the Marine Layer team spent hours updating a spreadsheet for lease accounting. They had all of their PDFs of their leases in a Dropbox folder, and they lacked visibility into their real estate portfolio data across their entire lease portfolio. After adopting Occupier, they now spend only 15 minutes updating a lease schedule. They pass their audit with a clean review and are ASC 842 compliant. They can easily export and import into their accounting ERP system, and they have complete visibility into all of their leases with just one click. They can also forecast future rent schedules and predict a store's profitability, informing expansion goals. Kelly Ransom, the senior financial accountant at Marine Layer, says, quote, "Marine Layer is in retail expansion mode, which means we are searching for new brick-and-mortar store locations. Occupier is our one-stop shop for everything lease management. It's automated, organized, and user-friendly. It really is a great audit trail to have, which is helpful, especially as we scale our teams to evolve and grow." Team alignment really is the secret to expansion success. Check out some of our customer stories on our website or reach out with any questions.